Not answering the exact answer.
Ask me the question. Ask me a question.
Poor performance in 5 test matches by Pakistani fast bowlers and inconsistent performance by Pakistani spinners. How can you justify overall performance in this home season?
That's your opinion.
Right, there.
It wasn't Majid Bhai's opinion. Actually, it's the opinion of entire nation of Pakistan. They think Pakistan did not bowl well. I'm talking about the fast bowlers. But I'm asking to you: are you satisfied with your performances as Pakistani bowling coach?
You're not. You're answering the question before you ask it. You are saying that's your opinion. So I can't. You're saying the performance has been poor. Okay, that's your opinion. What would you like me to say?
This is our opinion, but you're not answering the exact answer.
Ask me the question. Ask me a question.
The question is: are you satisfied with your performances? Entire nation is not satisfied with Pakistani bowlers' performances.
Yes, I'm satisfied.
Grassroots cricket. So barring Naseem Shah, it's been a rough winter of Test cricket for Pakistan's fast bowlers, and that's largely due to the absence of Shaun Tait. So moving forward, how can we better manage Pakistan's quicks like Naseem and Shaheen across formats? Because if they're playing all 3 formats, they're going to burn themselves out.
Yeah, you're right. I don't think playing all 3 formats consistently, that just can't happen. There's too much cricket, and we're aware of that. So it's going to be an important year now for Pakistan with a couple of big tournaments towards the end of the year. So management is going to be of the fast bowlers be critical. Yeah.
In that build session, it looked like a lot of things were happening for Pakistan, both with Hassan Ali nipping the ball back in and then Abrar getting a fair bit of spin as well. Do you think towards the end of that session and early in the third session, Pakistan had let the game drift slightly? Is it sort of a pattern where at times Pakistan seem like they have opposition batters on the ropes and then just can't quite make those crucial breakthroughs?
Yeah, I suppose it was quite good to watch there for an hour or so. You're right, there was some chances being created, I suppose, and obviously we just didn't get them. Yeah, a couple of nice wickets there, like you said, Hassan and whatever. But I mean, hasn't been easy. They're a pretty good team as well. It hasn't been easy to get those consistent breakthroughs. You sort of get one, and it'd be nice to get 2 or 3 in a row. But I don't think it's necessary. I know you're going to say, well, how come we've lost a couple of wickets? But it's not necessarily that sort of wicket where you come on and take 3 in a row. It's not easy. So, but yeah, I think it's just about taking those chances, I suppose, and maybe we missed a couple there. Yeah.
So, what the situation when you heard about Frank's death in the dressing room? And you got one point?
Yeah, you know what? The black armbands that the New Zealand team are wearing.
Yeah, he's a New Zealand selector.
I'm not.
No. I'm asking about the Pakistani guys. Of course, he was a great player at that time. And the second part of my question is that do you think there is a still chance for survival of Pakistan cricket team? Yeah.
Sorry, I missed the last question. The second question.
Second part of the question is that do you think that Pakistan still is there a chance for Pakistan to survive in the match?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes to the second question. And